Welcome to Career Point. Here is an opportunity from the PayU company, data internship opportunity. Um, so locations are, you can see Bangalore, Gurgaon, and we'll see the eligibility. A degree in engineering, stats, computer science, mathematics uh, from Tier 1 colleges. Students in pre-final year and final year of graduation or post-graduation can apply for an internship. Internship duration is ranging from 6 to 12 months. So you should be willing to work in the following locations: Mumbai, Bangalore, Gurgaon. So good understanding of SQL and Python. So this is the qualifications required. So if you want to apply for this, you can click here, apply for this job. So anyhow the link is given in the description box, and share to your friends also, those who are in need, and like the video for the better reach. Thank you all.